Hey, welcome to Davidson Fishing. My name's Dan, and today here we have the Simple Fishing RLM Elite Mystery Tackle Box. This is the multi-species box. If you're not aware, Simple Fishing offers 4 different options. You have the Elite multi-species boxes, which I have here. Then there's an Elite Bass box, Elite Walleye box, and then their most popular box, which is their Elite Pike box. RLM Elite, I believe, sends these boxes out to your house every 2 months. They're a Canadian company, and I believe they're our only subscription tackle box company out of Canada. This box here costed me 55 Canadian, and with shipping and taxes $71.18. And for my American viewers, it would cost you $40 American and about $5 for shipping. If you're interested in purchasing this box, I put a link below. Just to clarify, this is not a sponsored review, but if Simple Fishing sees this, I would love to work with you. With that being said, let's get this going. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It comes with what's in the box card, laminated on one end, and then they got Canadian prices and US. It also comes with an Elite Angler magazine here. They got an about section here, magazine, $10 off on some lures and all kinds of stuff on there. We got a cool sticker, another Simple Fishing sticker here. So let's get started on the top of the list. We have some mustad treble hooks, size 2. I think these are just basic hooks here. Your basic treble hooks, nothing special. And then their most expensive item here is from Lucky Bug Lures. It's F-bomb suspending lure. Looks like it'd be good for some walleye, maybe some bass. I like the color. It's a nice paint job, sharp hooks. There's next, and that was $12.99 and about $9.67 American, so a little bit on the pricey side. And the mustad hooks were listed at $4.99 and $3.72 American. Next up we have his Liquid Mayhem. What is this? Green pumpkin. I guess you'd use these for like a Ned rig. It says Mayhem Convulsion, Green Pumpkin. Also has a bonus attractor from Liquid Mayhem, and they're well known for their scents. Let's see if it has a scent or anything. It kind of smells like licorice. There it is right there. Maybe you could wacky rig that as well. Let's see what the scent's like. Not sure what that scent would be. Okay, so next up we have some Axon lures. These go for $8.05, so that's pretty pricey for a small little pack like that. I know it's a name brand, but that's I guess $5.99 US. They are says 2-inch super shads, black chartreuse pearl. Definitely a shad. They're kind of really small there. It's got the little paddle tail on the end. There's a little bit of a scent to it. Next up we have this guy right here from Creek Chub. It's I believe they call it a pikey. Yes, it's a smaller pike. You know, pike like to feed off their own. Let's pull this guy out. Pretty old school lure here. Dang, these hooks are pretty sharp. Nice colors. And that's from Creek Chub, and that is $9.39 and about $6.99 US. Next up we have Phoenix Baits. I've never heard of these guys. Right here, it's like purple with a green flake in there. It's kind of like a little lizard. So that's some sweet detail on the feet. I'm not sure if you can see that right there. You can actually see the toes. Looks like a pretty cool soft plastic. No scent. It's purple with a green flake. Next up we have Panther Martin. I'm sure everybody knows Panther Martin here. I got a bunch of them in my tackle box. Just a basic single hook. You really can't go wrong with Panther Martin. $7.99. That's reasonably priced. About $5.95 American. Next up, we have Deep Creek lures, and these are 4-inch power shad rainbow trout. These look pretty cool, and apparently they're scented. Oh yeah, it's a real garlicky smell, very strong. Got a little paddle tail on there. Little rainbow trout. definitely see pike, maybe even bass smashing this. It's very realistic, little baby trout. And last but not least, we got from Fresh Baits, scorpion. These are $8.05 Canadian and $5.99 American. They're 3-inch. Even tells you what kind of hook to use, which is 3/0. Not sure if you can see that. Very detailed. I like the packaging because it won't get ruined. And it's also scented with how do you say that? Anise bass syrup. And let's see right here. So it's all black with red flake. And it's so scorpion really looks like a scorpion with the red flake and nice detail. For $5.99 American, $8 Canadian. I personally wouldn't buy that myself, but I'll give it a go one day. So that's everything from Simple Fishing. If you want to pick up your own box here, I think I was saying it was 55 Canadian, and you can pick one up. Just go down to the link down below. I placed that down there. I also got a few other links. If you ever buy anything off of Amazon, you can go to that link below. It will help support the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.